Good morning, everyone. We're headed out today to go look at a 70 VW Bug Convertible that's on Facebook Marketplace. It looks like we're going to pick that up. Rainy day here in the Carolinas. We're going to try to snag another project car. So here's a quick shot of everything we got. Top, it's got one pan already in the car and an extra one, heater channels, complete interior, and it made it the 10-mile trip home, which is always a good thing. Yeah, 5150 would be, he'd be jealous because this one's got some rust. He would want this, absolutely, no doubt. Oh, it's got an engine in it, but yeah, we're not gonna get that open anytime soon. And as you can tell, I had to strap it together to get it home. She's rusty and crusty. The body's pretty straight on the outside. Just the front apron has a little crash damage. He said he got it running and actually did that himself. The throttle cable got stuck. Glass is all good in it. Frames are all good. Another project. So yeah, I got everything unloaded. That's about it for today's video. Not a whole lot going on. Just went out on a rainy day and picked up that 70 convertible. The Yamaha right here. Just about done with that project. Actually putting a Beetle carburetor on it and doing away with the stock for my Cuneys that come on that particular bike. So I'll take a quick shot of that. I'm gonna do another video on the install on that, but let me just take a quick shot and then that'll about do it for today. So here's the mess that I took off, the 4 single carbs that are on a 1990 Yamaha Venture, and the airbox and the hoses, and a lot of weight, a lot of problems and issues. They have really terrible idle circuits, so they're hard to tune, and if you let them sit for a while, they won't run. So I had a bunch of problems. That's my second set of carbs, and it's very expensive to get all the kits and parts and pieces to rebuild those. So I upgraded. Let me show you what I did. Here's the Yamaha. Like I said, I'm gonna do another video on that later. It's looking pretty good. This is a $500 bike. But it's got new tires and a bunch of other stuff that I'll go over in another video. But yeah, if you can see, empty air cleaner. I'm not done setting everything up. But yeah, 34 pick 3 carb. So now it's got electric choke. Again, it's kind of fun. So easy to tune, easy to take care of. No big deal. I'm gonna finish hopefully this weekend getting all that hooked up. Anyhow. I can get the air filter back on here. But yeah, we'll get that back done. It runs good. It'll crank right up first time. Sounds really good. Like I said, I'll cover all that in another video. So yeah, like I said, that's about it. Just a rainy weekend here in Carolinas, and you know, went and pulled that car out of a guy's backyard. And don't know what else I'm going to get into today, but anyway, if you like what you saw, please hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, share these videos with your friends. Trying to get the channel built up, and I'll put more content on there. It's kind of fun to have more followers, so you know, it kind of feels like you know, like a group of friends there talking about the VW stuff. So anyway, thanks for stopping by. Talk to you next time.